Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna share with you some of the stuff and gadget item that I've been using in my kitchen, and they are really high quality. I believe every household they should have at least one of these, and it will stay a lifetime with you. And they are really high quality, and you can just use them and get them with a peace of mind, because I've been using them for quite a while and I'm really happy with them. The first thing, which is the most important and every kitchen has to at least have one, is kitchen knife. Of course, at least you should have, you should have more, but at least if you can't afford a good high quality kitchen knife, you should at least plan to have one in your kitchen, which I'm telling you is gonna save a lot of time and energy from you. This is a kitchen knife that I've been using it, and it's under guarantee, stays of a lifetime for you. It is amazing. It will cut anything through anything basically. Even you can cut a thin slices of tomatoes with this, and this is really something you need to have one. It had a really good reviews on Amazon, and I totally recommend this one to have. I'm going to link down this knife for you, which is really affordable in price and really good quality. You can get it from the country of your residence and use it with a peace of your mind. Let's use this knife in the kitchen and see how good it is. The other thing that I always dreamed of having it but never actually went through to purchase one is mason jars. To my opinion, it was so expensive. I was always thinking that it's really expensive, and I never bought one. So recently I came across a product, mason jar, which was really high quality, and the price was really suitable, and it had a lot of good reviews. So I just gave it a try and I bought it, and I'm really happy with it. Basically, you can do anything with these mason jars, and I'm using it for a lot different things. I am doing my salad dressing every day with this, which is really amazing. Also, you can use this one for making your scrambled egg every morning, and it just blends it so well. Other than that, you can store dry ingredients like from grains, seeds, or even salt in it. I am using my Celtic salt inside one of these jars, which I'm using a different lid which lets the air through, because you need your Celtic salt to be breathable in the container that you're keeping it. So go for it if you really want to have a set of mason jars, because this is a really high quality and also really good price. You can just use it from your country of residence. I'm going to just link down below for you at the description box of the video, as well as the first comment. Go for the original one, because if you don't buy the original and go for a fake one, these lids, they will be rusting over the time and they are not really good to use anymore. So I've been using this mason jars quite a while, and I'm really happy with the quality, and you can just go ahead and get them with a peace of your mind. The other must-have kitchen product is a Dutch oven. Basically an iron cast pot, which I prefer to have the non-stick interior, because this is basically is for everything. You can use it for your cooking purpose, you can use it for making bread, and it will stay a lifelong for you if you go and buy an original one and a good one. I do stews and soups in it. It will make the food so much richer, flavorful, and so much more delicious. And also you can make your bread inside. If you're doing sourdough, this turns your bread amazing. Like I am doing, I'm baking basically an einkorn sourdough loaf bread inside it, which turns it out brilliant. So you can do anything with this Dutch oven. It's not only that you can put it in your oven, you can use it on the top of the stove for your stews and your soup. I'm gonna link down this one as well, that you can go and get it from your country of residence. The other thing that maybe it doesn't sound so important to have in your kitchen, or maybe you don't much pay attention, but to me is really important because I like a nice and neat kitchen, is oil dispenser. Yes, I've been using a lot of oil dispensers and all of them happen to have leakage. The oil drip used to come off and just leaking from the outside of the glass and make a mess, and I used to all the time wipe where I used to keep my oil dispenser, and it was a mess and I was not really happy because I'm buying the good quality oil and I do not want to just ruin the oil by just leakage of the oil through the dispenser and just miss the oil like that. So I would wanted to have an oil dispenser which is high quality and not to have any leakage. So I used a lot of them, and the only one and only that it didn't even have one drop of oil leaking from it was this one. This is really high quality and it's an amazing oil dispenser because it's got dual action, so you can spray the oil, which sprays perfectly, and also you can just open the other compartment and you can see that through here you can just pour oil in the pots or pans and do your cooking. And you have no idea, and you won't believe if I tell you, no matter how you pour the oil, it does not even leak one drop of extra oil through this glass or anywhere else, or even when you're putting this back in the place, it doesn't make a mess at all. I challenge you, because I've been using this one for months now and it really amazed me the way it is. I don't know how they made this, but this is like a miracle. So if you want something nice and neat, stay a lifetime for you, this is the one. And let's go and see how to use this oil dispenser and how basically it works. Okay, that was it for this video. Just showed a few of great stuff that I've been using in my kitchen, and it is already ticked out and it's a thumbs up. You can just buy for yourself and they are amazing with peace of your mind. And I will be coming with more stuff, so basically introducing the best of Amazon 5-star for you guys. Until then, bye.